Hey guys, what's good? Mike here. Thanks for tuning in to this video. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, how long does it take to become a UI UX designer? This is one of the common questions I get for those that are just starting and don't have any experience. They've seen my course, they've seen some of my videos, that they're interested in UI UX design. They'll ask me like, how long does it take if I spend time watching videos and learning and really putting in the effort? How long does it take? And I get what they're asking. Because this question is it's a very wide open question. You know the short answer, it depends, right? But I'm gonna give you some real life, some real specific answers, no BS. Basically somebody's asking, they'll hear about UI UX design and they'll say, okay, how long would it take for me to complete your course and really be job ready to where I can start making money? And the answer to that, the real answer is about 2 years, okay? But there's other levels to that. With, like, for example, my product, I have a course right now where I teach you the essentials of product UI UX design, okay? It's about 15 hours, a little over 15 hours worth of tutorials and videos and lessons, and about 50 videos total, okay? So consuming my course, let's say you go about an hour or so a day, no more than that. It's gonna take you about 6 weeks to kind of really consume it all and really understand what I'm doing in terms of like, following along. So after 6 weeks, you'll start dabbling into understanding like, hey, you'll start doing some stuff, right? Actually in a weekend, you're gonna learn, like, you're gonna start becoming familiar with the interface and start designing and things like that. Just not even knowing what you're doing, but you'll start getting familiar with, oh, I clicked on this button and it did something, right? In about 6 weeks, you'll be able to consume like my course, but in about 6 months, you'll be able to talk to your friends about UI UX design, something that you've never been able to do, and really have a solid knowledge education in terms of what UI UX is and where you need to continue to progress in order to become job ready. Now, having said that, in about 6 months, you'll be able to design some stuff, and everybody's skill level is different, but in about 2 years, in my opinion, you would have enough information if you worked on it every single day to have built up a pretty solid portfolio of, let's say, two to four projects within 2 years. If you focused on it every single day and learned trial and error and went through trial and error, things like that. In about 2 years, in my opinion, is when I would say you're job ready to the point to where you can command $45,000 if you're in a market that's on the low end. On the high end, you're looking at starting point around $65,000 and beyond. But obviously that depends on where you are. In every market is different. LA is different than Dallas, Texas, and things like that. And so it's the market, Atlanta, Georgia, or whatever. Every market is different, so your starting rate is going to be different. But in about 2 years, you're looking at a point to where you can become job ready and you can command that a starting salary in the UI UX design field, and then from there you can progress. It starts to roll after a year or so in the industry. You can start to roll and command big increases, not just 3% every year. You can command a 5%, 10% increase, and that's how I recommend folks in the industry kind of bump their salary up. After a couple of years at a job, you can get 10% or 10, 15% increase if you start applying and continue to build your portfolio and position yourself. And so that's one way to raise your salary. But in a nutshell, you're looking at 6 weeks to kind of consume a course like mine, 6 months to kind of just really be able to understand what's going on. From there, about 2 years before you can actually have a strong portfolio to where you're job ready. So kind of think of it as around a 2-year plan. That's why a lot of people get confused. Like, Mike, is this, I come in, can I learn this in 2-3 weeks? No, you can't do that. No. And you don't want that, because there's no value. If you can learn something in 2-3 weeks and be at the top of your game, obviously that's there's no value in that particular skill set. This is a real skill set. Visual UI design is one of the hardest things to learn, and that's going to take months and months and months and months to perfect. The UX design understanding of what UX design is and the principles and the methods that I teach, that's going to be easier to consume. In several weeks, you'll be able to, in a few weeks, you'll be able to really understand that and really start to, your mind starts to open up and understand what UX is. The actual visual design layouts and really putting an entire application together, that's going to take time. And so you can consume my stuff in 6 weeks. You can consume a course in a matter of weeks, but it's going to take repetition, practice to get better and better and better and better. And it takes time to build up a portfolio. For you to become job ready, you need a portfolio of 3 to 4 strong projects, in my opinion, to where you can start going out there, and just start boom, boom, boom. Hey, I'm capable of this job. I'm capable of this job. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. And so that's going to be about 2 years. So if you think about it, my recommendation is continue to work and continue to strive every single night, couple hours a night on practicing your craft, and then you'll get there. So work your job. I tell people, take this as a journey. Work your job. If you're working at McDonald's, if you're working at Target, if you're working at Walmart, doesn't matter. You're working an accountant job and you want to get into UI, UX, spend your time focusing on this every single night, and eventually you'll get there. All right. 6 months to kind of really get an understanding of everything. 6 weeks to kind of consume a course, right? To know some stuff, but 2 years to a point to where you can have enough to have a portfolio built up to where you can start going out there commanding solid work. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully this answered your questions. If you have any questions in regards to this, obviously if you have graphic UI, UX design skills, that's going to shorten up. If you have graphic design skills, obviously your time frame is shortened because you are knowledgeable in design, Photoshop, what have you. And so in 6 months, you'll be way ahead. In several months, you'll be way ahead to the point to where, but you still have to build up a portfolio of projects. And so that's going to take you 6 months to a year to actually get to a solid point to where, hey, now I've worked on 3, 4 projects. I'm ready to dive into UI design, UI, UX design. I know all about it. So that's my thoughts. Hit me up in the comments below. Let me know your thoughts. Thanks for commenting, liking, and subscribing. As always, if you want to learn more about what I do and what I teach, visit my site, mluxacademy.com. You can learn product UI, UX design, get started today. There's material there, free video where you can learn about how to position yourself for success. Check it out, mluxacademy.com, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.